Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to study in detail about ternary operator in C language. Let's get started. So we just discussed about binary operator and unary operators in previous some of our videos, and in this video we are just going to discuss about the ternary conditional operators in C language. So the syntax for ternary operators is simple. Just want to write down the condition and following that question mark and true expression colon of false expression. So let me just declare two different variables. A is equal to 7, int of b is equal to 5, and for storing the result I am just going to use this c variable. C is equal to, let me write down a condition, a greater than b. So as per the syntax I am just going to write down the expression. The condition that I am writing right over here is a greater than b. If it is greater, this expression right over here or the true value right over here will be the return value of this condition. So I am just writing here the value 7, and if it is false or if this condition is false, this false value will be returned from this condition check. So here I am writing the value 5. So now what happens is I am just printing this variable c value. So now what happens is, in this expression this condition is checked, that is whether a greater than b or not. If this condition is true, this value will be returned from this expression, and if this condition is false, this value will be returned from this expression. So this is what happens right over here. So in our case a value is 7 and b value is 5, so this condition will be true, so the value 7 will be stored in the variable c as a result or outcome of this conditional operator. And if this condition is false, the value that is beyond the semicolon will be loaded or returned from this conditional statement. So this is how the ternary conditional operator will be functioning. So the outcome of this is nothing but 7 as per our expectation. You can see the c value is 7. So the conditional operator is functioning as per our expectations.